Hey guys, it's Colleen. So I have a couple of things that came in the mail, and so I thought I would share them with you. So let's take a look. So I have a couple of planners and stuff, but I saw this on Temu. I saw this somewhere else, and it was going, I think, for a lot higher. And then I saw this on Temu, and I was like, well, let me try it, because it was at a good price. I'll try to see if I can find the price and leave a link. But I thought this was an interesting planner, so I'm just going to show you what it is. It's like it has you doing this checklist for your cleaning and stuff like that. And I thought it was really interesting. Yearly cleaning, quarterly cleaning, speed cleaning room by room. And I could probably use some of this for my son. Seasonal cleaning, cleaning supplies. Interesting. Cleaning hacks. I didn't even know that was in there. Kitchen deep clean. I like this a lot. So I just thought I'd do a little flip through. And if you guys are interested, I will see if I can link it, like I said. But this was not expensive. Okay. If I'm going too fast, just pause this video, because I'm trying not to make things too long. Alright, chore chart. Alright, and that is the ADHD cleaning planner. And they left you things to color. Alright, so that's that one. And then let's see what I picked up here. Oh, this is from Macy's. I remember. I had some Capital One shopping rewards. I had like $130 something. And Macy's is not always on there. Sorry about that, y'all. So let's see. Oh, so I guess I bought two things. So I guess the other package is going to come separate. Alright, so they were both Coach items. This was marked down. I want to say this was marked down to like $45 or something like that. I would try to put it on the screen and maybe link it if it's still available. I thought this was neat, and I can reuse this box. I do have the little purse that goes with this. It's a heart-shaped purse. I have never used it, but I plan to use it. Let's see. So, okay. So you can snap that on there, I guess. So you could use, I would be afraid for that to fall off my purse. I wonder why they did it like that. I guess so you can use it on the inside of your purse too. But I guess you would know if that fell off. It would make a noise or something like that. But this is really cute. Not quite sure what would go in here except for maybe sanitizers or something, because that's kind of small. But I will probably take this insert out and actually use this box to store stuff like this. All right, so that is what I had to share with you guys today. Let's see if there's a price on the back of here. Yeah. So this was normally $75. Like I said, I think I paid $45, something like that. And we didn't look at this tag in detail. It's really cute. And then we got the branding on that. We got the glitter. Really cute. All right, so that is what I had to share with you today, guys. We got those two things. And I will talk to y'all later. Bye.